That's unfortunate.
All right, fire in the hole.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We started off with a fresh oil change, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug. Now we got the sprockets for the chain in, so let's change that out. Let's go. Finally got the chain installed. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for some more parts.
Well guys, unfortunately once again I received a right side pilot light when I am in need of a left side pilot light. So I'm gonna have to return this and hopefully they send me a left side this time. But in the meantime, we got some sweet levers for the bike right over there. And let's put this handlebar assembly together 100%. I ended up lowering the bike about an inch on each of the forks because I love the lowered look on these bikes. And we also got the triples, the bottom and top, and the handlebars all tightened down. Now, let's break out some levers and throw the rest of the handlebars together. The handlebars are looking great. I'm so ready to ride this bike, but everything is fully functioning. Now we got some more boxes.
All right, time for the good stuff. Let's crack open some more of that carbon and slap it on the bike. I'm loving the combination between the brushed aluminum and the glossy carbon. It looks so good.
It actually all fits very well. I am having a few small hole issues, but other than that, it fits great. We got carbon down there, carbon on the tank, on the tail. I love the full carbon tail on the backside. That just looks so cool, all glossy like that. Now, I do have lots more carbon to install on the bike, but I still am waiting on some key components. I would have thrown the front together if I would have gotten the right headlight, but unfortunately I'm gonna need to wait and get the right one sent out.
Tempted to take this thing for a spin, but I am waiting on some brake components. Other than that, she's ready to rip. So guys, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.